Now, there's also a specialty tag that's reserved for value called hreflang equals x dash default. You actually say x dash default. This is used when no other language and or region matches what the user's browser setting is. It's an optional value, but it's highly recommended as a way for you to control the page when no language is matched. So if Google can't find a match to what the users kind of set up as where they are or what language they speak, then the X defaults as well. Use this as the default if nothing else matches, right? And it's usually good to use to target your site's homepage where there might be like a clickable map or some other way that folks can figure out what country they're in or what language they're speaking in that way. And when no other page is better suited, use the X default hreflang attribute to signal to Google that a particular page doesn't target any specific language locale and is the default page. Basically, hey, just go here if that's what you're looking for, right? It's just sort of a default thing for Google to supply to the browser that's being, it's requesting the information if you don't have a specific language set up. Here is an example of that, right? Here in the head area, we've got the link rel alternate href equals, this is the URL, and the href language equals the X default. This is basically the homepage of this website, right? So in this case here, if someone doesn't speak English or French or ES or MX, which is Spanish in Mexico versus Spanish, just the French language, Spanish language, English language. These cover anybody speaking English, anybody that speaks French, anybody that speaks Spanish. This is for anybody that speaks Spanish in Mexico. And then this X default would be if nobody matches these things, or maybe someone's speaking German, just put them on the default page where they can maybe pick a map to say, hey, we're in Germany.